yang terhormat Direktur Rumah Sakit Umum Raji Lestari, Dr. Gregorius Raditya Dinandana MPH, yang terhormat VK Hair Center Istanbul, Mr. Ramazan Kunusi, seluruh tamu undangan dalam acara Soft Launching Unit Hair Transplant kolaborasi Rumah Sakit Umum Raji Lestari dan VK Hair Center Indonesia.
Yang saya hormati para tamu undangan dan juga teman-teman dari Rumah Sakit Mardi Lestari. Selamat pagi, salam sejahtera, salam sehat, salam kasih untuk kita semua. Mohon izin perkenankan saya berdiri di sini mewakili Yayasan Santa Katarina Lestari yang kebetulan Suster Agusta dan Suster Loren sedang retret di Sukabumi, dan juga kebetulan saya sebagai pengawas yayasan. Kita ketahui bersama bahwa dunia kesehatan saat ini berkembang pesat, baik tuntutan, tantangan sekaligus buat kita semua. Kita rasanya juga tertatih-tatih untuk bisa mengikuti. Pada kesempatan yang baik ini, kolaborasi dengan PKR Center Indonesia sangat memberi harapan bagi kita. Ini bentuk terobosan baru pelayanan di Rumah Sakit Mardi Lestari. Kita supaya bisa eksis, bisa berlangsung, kita perlu pemikiran terobosan-terobosan dalam pelayanan. Kita orang beriman mempunyai harapan bahwa kita optimis selagi kita mau berjuang bersama. Kita perlu duduk bareng, rembukan bareng, kerja bareng, duduk bersama, diskusi bersama, kerja bersama. Harapan kita semoga pelayanan baru ini semakin, ya, karena di sini belum pernah ada, setahu saya tidak hanya diserahkan ya Dok, ya. Di Indonesia sudah ada, sudah di Jawa Tengah baru dimulai di sini. Harapannya ini menjadi harapan baru bagi kita semua. Kita saling berkolaborasi dengan baik. Juga melalui klinik Wahyu Agra Widya, dokter dan keluarga. Selain itu, kami dari pihak yayasan mendorong selain terobosan-terobosan baru dalam pelayanan, mungkin juga dipikirkan untuk terobosan baru dalam usaha lain. Jadi tidak hanya dari pasien. Sekali lagi, profesiat kepada PK Center Indonesia, Mr. Ramansa Musu yang sudah memberi kepercayaan kepada Rumah Sakit Mardi Lestari. Demikian, terima kasih. Thank you.
Selamat pagi, salam kasih.
Selamat pagi, salam kasih.
I will try to mix Indonesian and English because Mas dari Indonesia. Bagi Bapak Ibu yang terutama saya hormati dan saya ucapkan terima kasih yang sebesar-besarnya pada para suster yang hadir pada kesempatan pagi hari ini, orang tua, keluarga, Bapak Ibu, semua staf RSUD Mardi Lestari. Good morning and hello everybody, especially Mr. Ramazan. Thank you. You were 18 hours flight from Istanbul. Oh my God! And you come to the country with the hot weather, right? It's hot.
Now it's hot.
It's hot. Yeah, you know. When I or Mr. Phoebe want to have some business with people, what you need also as a businessman is a trust, okay? It's a trust between you and me, between you and Mr. Phoebe, between Indonesia and Turkey also, and I am the people who need to see the experiences from my business model. And I see you are very amazing. Your clinic Vega started when it's 30 years, right? 20 years. Your experience is to care the customer for the hair transplant. And I believe all of your hair transplant business is running very well. I met Mr. Ahmed Steva, I met you, your hospitality at Turkey. I said thank you very much. And I say thank you very much for coming to Indonesia. That's a very honor for me, very honor for the clinic, the hospital, and I hope, we are doing business here. I hope we can serve the patients very well, and they have a good, hair. They want to be handsome, right? They want to be handsome, and I, Mr. Phoebe, and the team, we have the background as a manager, a health system manager, and we need a big preparation. We need a very detailed preparation. I cannot run a business with no legal. I cannot run a business with no well preparation. So I love it when you told me last night, let's do it step by step. And that step by step is very important. It's very important because I ever do business on rush and that's not working. And step by step, I think the business can be sustainable for the longer time. And I know your experience how to treat the customers, the people who have transplant. And I want you, I hope you can teach Miss Vivi, teach all of us here to handle the customers, make them satisfied, and teach the call centers. And how is your strategy to manage the patient? Today, tomorrow, maybe you can come to my house and I will be very happy. Thank you very much, Mr. Ramazan. I hope you are healthy, your family healthy. I hope you like Indonesia, This is Solo. Solo, I think it's hot and the food is very sweet. I hope you like it. Yeah. And tonight also, you can have coffee over there. And we can also have some dinner maybe. And tomorrow, maybe at my house, we can do some learn or study for the call centers. I think, like we said before, that the most important or the most key in this business, I think, is the call centers. The call centers communicate with the customers, and the customers in Indonesia, I don't know. It's maybe about the prices, maybe about the quality, maybe about I don't know. But you can share your experience, 20 years experience to us, please. Thank you very much, Mr. Ramazan. Have a great days in Solo. Maybe tomorrow you'll go to Yogyakarta or Karimun Jawa. Please enjoy Indonesia. This country is very great. I guarantee you. Thank you very much. Terima kasih Bapak Ibu atas kerawanan Ibu. Semoga ini menjadi hal yang baru. Ini Muslim Mr. Ramazan ke sini. Dia akan mengajari beberapa hal terkait dengan marketing, layanan pasien, dan lain sebagainya nanti step by step. Mr. Ramazan punya pengalaman di Somalia, Italia, Albania, maybe Russia, right? Dia punya pengalaman bagaimana menghandle pasien di beberapa negara dengan berbagai perbedaan kulturnya. Semoga nanti kita bisa menyesuaikan ini. Itu terima kasih, selamat siang, salam kasih. Thank you.
Selamat pagi. youngest estimate partner, Mr. Indra, Mr. Svetkin, and Mr. Asia, and distinguished members of the press. I extend my warmest greetings all of you. It's a great pleasure and honor to be with you today. So, since the cement in our clinic in Istanbul has provided an international standard, I'm so excited. Please forgive me. So, our team is have about 20 years experience in hair transplantation. So, I'm trust too much about my team. This is our secret to our doctor team. They are so experienced and they are doing excellent job. Not only Istanbul, one is part of the world. They do great. So, we can continue. So, my team, they are doing great job. Not only Istanbul, we are in various parts of the world, especially Africa, Europe. Also now we are saying it's going to Russia. Russia, it's not like Indonesia now. I'm so grateful to hear meeting with the smart people. They are very professional. So our attempt to bring our experience to Indonesia also. So our aim is not only a partnership. We are this is going to be more. So in Istanbul we are following international standards. But of course, we are adding some of our strategies and some of the experience also. So I hope in here also we can do great job together. So I'm so excited about that one. But I'm sure we will do great job in here. Why? Because in Istanbul we have a great team. And in here, when we transfer our technology together with our experience, I'm sure that we can do great job in here. Thank you very much for everything.